Wild Wisdom by Safari 56 Limited.
Hi everyone, Debbie here from Safari 56 Limited. Welcome to our podcast by the name World Wisdom by Safari 56. I'm the host of this podcast, and today's topic is the small five in the African savannas. So we're gonna focus to look the members of the small fives we have in African savannas. So I would like to mention all members of the small fives, and then in the episode one, we're gonna cover one member of the small five. So the members of the small five includes buffalo weavers resembling to buffalo, elephantish roe resembling to elephant, leopard tortoise resembling to leopard spots, um, uh, rhino beetle resembling to rhino, and the ant lion resembling to lion. In the episode one, we're going to look the buffalo weavers. So this is our focus today, and I would like to speak this fascinating berry species by looking their species habitat and distribution, behavior and social structure, feeding habitat, the nesting and breeding. Yes, so we're gonna look all this in the episode one. So starting with I'd like to start by saying that in the savannah of Africa, we do have both big five and small fives. These small fives are lesser known, but are very fascinating animals, named in a contrast to the big five. Uh, let's start our focus. Buffalo weavers are the fascinating bird species that are known for their social behavior, large nests, and noise chatter. Uh, they belong to Proceridae family. Uh, that commonly you can find in eastern, central, and southern part of Africa. They're often seen in big trees such as acacians and the baobabs. So this is kind of the berry species that we are looking for today. Uh, Species of buffalo weavers. There are three species of buffalo weavers. First one is red-billed buffalo weavers. Second one is white-billed buffalo weavers, and the third is white-headed buffalo weavers. Red-billed buffalo weavers. These entire body black but have red bill, and the males have bright red bill, while the female have dual colors. Um, they are found in eastern and southern part of Africa as well. The white-billed buffalo weavers, just like the red-billed buffalo weavers, they are black in talbot but have white bill, found in some parts of Western and Central Africa. The third one is white-headed buffalo weavers. This is most unique among the species, characterized by white heads, black wings, and orange bell. They are found commonly in East Africa, particularly Tanzania, Kenya, and Ethiopia. So these are three species of buffalo weavers. Now we're going to the physical characteristic of these fascinating species that we have in the African savannas. First one, they are medium-sized birds with 24 centimeters long. Also, they have strong cone-shaped beaks designed for cracking seeds. They also have powerful claws that they help to hold branches and weave the nests. Uh, Also, Also, the male buffalo weavers are slightly larger and more colorful than the females. So these are was a short physical characteristic of buffalo weavers. Now we're moving to the habitat and distribution. So where do they found? And yes, so habitat they are found across the Eastern Africa, southern part of Africa, mostly in dry savannas, woodlands, and grasslands. As well, you can spot these very amazing species of birds. Moving now to the behavior and social structure. Behavior, they are social and noise, living in colonies, in the living together in the nests, as we say that they build large nests, so they live together in colonies. Also, they are polygamous, mean that they have more than one mate, specifically for males. For males, having more than one females. Also, they are terrestrial, very aggressively defending their nests. Also, their nets are characterized by having um, many chambers or entrances. Uh, Again, also about their characteristics, about their behavior. Uh, they are omnivorous, feeding on both plants and animals. So both plants and animals, like in seeds, insects, fruits, nectars. So they are omnivorous. All right. Now we are moving to the nesting and breeding. So the place where they live called nests. So during the nest building, males are responsible for building and maintaining these large communal nests just to attract the females. Uh, yes, okay, nesting. But during the breeding, females lay 2 to 4 eggs, while I mean females lay 2 to 4 eggs, while the male protect the eggs and ensure the availability of food for females. These are the characteristic and breeding as well. So during the incubation process, female incubates while the male as well ensure the security of these nests. Okay, now moving to the predators and threats. Yes, despite of being very aggressive in defending their nests, but still they face uh, the threats from different predators such as snakes that raid their nests just to feed on chicks and eggs. Uh, Also, for an attack from eagles, from hawks, and other small predators. Uh, why do they important to the ecosystem? They're important because we have said that they are living nearby by the large mammals in the savannah. So they are feeding on insects that are disturbing the movement of these big animals in the savannah. So feeding on insect means that they control the population of insect like termites. Uh, Okay, okay. That's now we are going the why do they call buffalo weavers? Are called buffalo weavers because they are living nearby the big heads of animals such as buffaloes, such as elephants, rhinos. So once you are in safaris and you now encounter the heads of buffaloes, also you have big chance to to see these buffalo weavers because they are nearby feeding on insects that disturbing these uh, big animals. Yes. So I call for everyone who is dreaming or who is going to have a safaris. So you don't just need to focus on big five only in the savannah. We also have this very fascinating, but they are less known, but they are amazing. They have their own style and personality. So you have to also pay attention because it can enhance your unforgettable memory. So now is the end of this episode. So if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it to your fellow wildlife lovers. Uh, as we continue talking another member of the small five in the next uh, episode, I'd like to see you again. By concluding, I'd like to say that Safari 56 offers incredible wildlife safaris in top destinations in East Africa, such as Serengeti National Park, Ngorongoro Conservation Area, where we can see the Ngorongoro crater, Ruaha National Park, also Mikumi National Park, Kilimanjaro trekking adventures. So all these top destinations, Safari 56 is your gateway to East Africa. So you have to get in touch with us by visiting our website www.safari56.com, or you can follow us in different social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn at Safari56. Uh, uh, I'd like to say thank you for your attention and welcome Safari 56 is your gateway to uh, to East Africa. Stay tuned for the coming episode. Thank you.
Wild Wisdom by Safari 56 Limited.